There was a worldwide flood happening in this world. Millions got drowned and only a family survived. The Ark landed on the Mount Judy in the Ararat mountain range. Noah and his family took upon the Ark of each kind of animal, a female and a male. The kinds of animals are around 800 to 1,400 still on Earth. And they specified into hundreds and thousands and millions of species and races of animals. This story is very profound, and it happened around 4,500 years ago. The whole world was flooded. It was a worldwide flood, not a local flood. Check out my videos to learn more.